insert scissors or a flathead screwdriver into where the key was and carefully twist it to pop the plastic pieces apart. It's actually very stupid design because you have the key, you can get into the car, but the battery is dead in this fob. Then guess what? It sends no signal to the electronics in the car, so the car doesn't know that the key is there within range, so you can't start the car. Very foolish, stupid design, as usual. What they should do is the key that's in here should be able to be used to start the car. There should be some type of a key lock hidden somewhere in the car that you can use in situations like this when the battery's dead, because you can't use your car. Put the new battery in the same way. It says do not touch in here, so don't touch it. And you're just going to put this back together. Push this back together. And then go see if you can unlock your car and if the car will start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.